So this is the rear main seal. So basically this is the rear main seal cover. And then of course this is the crankshaft. And then this here is the seal for the crankshaft. It keeps oil from coming out of the engine from the rear of the crank. So there's oil sitting right here basically. All the sloshing around and the movement of the oil just prevents it from, of course, coming out of the engine. That's not what we want. Putting some lubrication on my tool as well as my sealing area so that my seal can slide in and not get caught or roll in any way that we don't want it to.